Hi guys, so today we'll dig into the free software open source e-commerce platform called SilverShop. It's a module for Silverstripe 5, which is my go-to platform for most projects. First of all, I need to address the comment of a gentleman in our comment section. It's not about him, but it's about the mindset of many entitled people. Let me explain before we continue talking about SilverShop. Okay, so someone complained in my other video that I didn't present a totally free webshop solution. So let me be clear about my opinion on free software. Nobody is entitled to anything free, especially if you're not putting some work in the code. Even this platform called YouTube, I'm not entitled to get it for free because it has been made available to me without putting in any work or investment. Someone somewhere spent years building these systems, making them available and then maintaining them. So my perspective is that we should be grateful to have the core for free first, and then being open source. If you want something totally free, as you mentioned in your comment, you will have to learn how to code. And the same goes for the people you're talking to. If you want something fast without coding, then you can use one of our affiliate links in the description and give a shot to Equid. It's not expensive, and if you don't want to spend hundreds of hours learning how to code, you'll save a lot of time building your site and maintaining it. As I've just released the new version of Unlabeled Store, which might be live now on unlabeled.store, I realized SilverShop is not an option that I include in the other video. Why? Maybe because it requires some coding skills and it took me quite a lot of time to set it up. However, now that it works better than WooCommerce with a much faster loading speed and an A-grade structure on GT matrix. Here you can see a comparison with WooCommerce, first using Avada for the full context, E-grade, at least 4 seconds to load versus SilverShop. I think that's a clear enough description of the delta in performance. And you're good to go with a basic MySQL database from OVH. The project was more than a simple e-commerce, as I have some products from Printful, our print-on-demand partner. So the site supports both in-house products and POD products. I've built a function that automatically fetches products from the API, creates product in the Silverstripe dashboard, including the title, thumbnail, and all the variations with their ID. I had to code it myself, but that works like a charm. Then we have a multi-step checkout, which wasn't that easy to customize, but it works well. And it retrieves the live shipping rate from the Printful API for the selected item. So customers are charged exactly the right amount for the shipping. It uses Omnipay for the payment gateway. I had some issues with the official Stripe solution for Omnipay, so I've coded a custom gateway with the PHP SDK from Stripe. I'll still use Omnipay, but the Stripe module is made in-house. I send the user to Stripe to handle the payment, which ensures 100% compliance with multi-currency, including PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and whatnot, all in one payment gateway. Then a webhook receives the confirmation of payment from Stripe, triggers the push of the products through the Printful's API, so all the Printful products are sent automatically to Printful as a single order. The other in-house made item can be found in the order panels of SilverShop. I mean, it's free if you code it yourself outside of the hosting and the hundreds of hours invested in the development. And most importantly, it's fast, it's clean. I know what's under the hood, I can customize it, and there's no ads in the dashboard. It took me about a month to build everything, so I didn't know how it was coded initially. But now that I understand the structure, I can easily make changes and optimize the user experience. So here it is, SilverShop, it's free and open source, runs on PHP 8.2. And for those wondering what I use for the front end, it's Bootstrap 5 with the usual Silverstripe template system. You can find the packages for SilverShop on packages.org. There's a recipe available that you can install via Composer and then have fun tweaking it. That said, I would like to thank the Silverstripe community, anyone keeping Silverstripe and its module up to date, including SilverShop. And if you appreciate what we do, like, subscribe, and check the affiliate links in the description. We have one for Printful, another for Equid. And if you want a web shop with a print-on-demand solution without spending hundreds of hours of coding and maintenance, you can use Equid. Have a good one. See you later. Peace.